The value of A for which the system of these equations has a non-zero solution is, we need to check the value of A. Now when these equations have a non-zero solution, if the determinant of coefficient matrix is 0, then this system of equations has a non-zero solution, right? So using this, let's find the value of A. So these are the equations given to us. So the system of linear equations will have a non-zero solution if the determinant of the coefficient matrix is equal to 0. Just write the coefficient of x in the first column. So it is a cube, a and 1. And then writing the coefficients of y in the second column. So this is a plus 1 whole cube, and this is a plus 1, and this is 1. And then writing the coefficient of z in the third column. So this is a plus 2 whole cube, and then a plus 2, and then 1. To get 0 in place of these two ones, we can change the column 2 by applying the operation. That column 2 is changed into column 2 minus column 1, and column 3 is changed into column 3 minus column 2. So writing the first column as it is, so this is a cube, a and 1, and then a plus 1 whole cube minus a cube. For the second column I'm writing a plus 1 whole cube minus a cube. Applying the formula for x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y into x square plus y square plus xy. So this becomes a plus 1 minus a into a plus 1 whole square plus a square plus a into a plus 1. So these two cancelled out, and we are getting in the bracket a square plus 1 plus twice of a plus a square plus a square plus a. So a square, a square, a square. This becomes 3a square, and then 2a plus a becomes plus 3a, and then 1. Right? A plus 1 minus a, this gives 1. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Third column is changed into C3 minus C2. So a plus 2 whole cube minus a plus 1 whole cube. Thrice of a plus 1 whole square plus thrice of a plus 1 plus 1. And then subtracting these two, we get 1. And 1 minus 1 is again 0. So this determinant should be equal to 0. So this implies if I expand this, I get a cube into, cross multiplying these two, we get 0 minus thrice of a square plus 3a plus 1. Cross multiplying these two, we get 0 minus 1. And then plus, writing this element, writing this complete element into cross multiplying these two. So this is 0 minus 1 equal to 0. First term is 0. Second term, this is 3a square plus 3a plus 1. And the last term, we get this to be negative sign for this. So this is 3a square plus 3 plus 6a, and then plus 3a plus 3, and then plus 1 equal to 0. 3a square cancelled out with this, 3a is cancelled out with this, and 1 is cancelled out with this, and we are having here negative 6a, and this is minus 3 and 3, that is 6 equal to 0. So this implies we are getting a to be equal to negative 1. So for the non-zero solution of the given system of equations, we are getting the value of a to be negative 1. That is C option is correct. Okay, thank you.